Have you ever tried applying petroleum jelly on your doors or windows? This simple trick will amaze you, and you'll probably wonder why you didn't think of it sooner. I'll also show you another useful trick that's very effective, but not many people know about. All you need is ordinary, inexpensive, and easily available petroleum jelly, which you can find at any store. Before applying, I recommend thoroughly cleaning the area around your doors or windows so the jelly can work at its best. Then apply it to the doors. You can spread it in the corners or evenly along the entire length. Cover the whole door except for the handle. Friends, I'd love to know where you're from. I enjoy meeting people from all over the world and want to send you a like and a heart. Thank you. Repeat the same process of windows, applying petroleum jelly along the entire bottom edge. You're probably wondering why you should put petroleum jelly on doors and windows in the first place. The answer is simple. Petroleum jelly is highly effective at repelling ants and other insects because its thick and sticky texture makes it hard for them to move across treated surfaces. It also acts as a barrier, preventing them from reaching food or scents that attract them. Its dense consistency makes it long-lasting. It won't wash away easily in the rain or evaporate quickly. Another advantage is that it's completely safe to use in the home environment and harmless to pets. Once you apply the simple technique to your doors and windows, your home will be calmer and cleaner, and the problem with unwanted insects will be greatly reduced. Now I'll show you one more simple trick using petroleum jelly. I'll use petroleum jelly from a tube to make it easier to mix. Squeeze a few centimeters of jelly into a bowl, then add a few centimeters of toothpaste and mix well until you get a smooth, compact paste. Do you know what this is for? If insects like mosquitoes, wasps, or spiders bite you, this mixture can quickly reduce swelling and relieve itching. Apply a small amount to the affected area and wait a few minutes. You'll feel relief almost immediately. Additionally, this mixture is great for cleaning various surfaces. For example, taps that have lost their shine can be easily restored. Apply a small amount, rub gently, and rinse with water. The shine will return instantly, and the protective layer helps prevent dirt and grime from building up. You can also use it to clean glasses, so they don't fog up afterward. As you can see, petroleum jelly is fantastic. Share this video with your friends. Thank you and take care.